Hey, what's going on? This is your boy J-Hen with J-Hen Travel and Life, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Magic Touch, the eye drop helper. So if you're a person like me and you have to take eye drops daily or frequently, you may be trying to find ways to make the process a little bit easier, or if you have children or pets that you're trying to get those drops in their eyes, you know, sometimes it can be a little bit difficult, especially if you're not in front of the mirror. You know, sometimes you may be trying to use the process of pulling down your eyelid, putting the drops in your eye, and you still might get, you know, the drops running all over the place. And especially if you're paying for it and it's a prescribed medication, you don't want to be wasting the drops. So they say that's where the Magic Touch eye drop helper comes into place. So they say that you can magically transfer drops from your fingertip to your eye using this eye drop helper. So it's a BP-free, lab-tested, antimicro, medical-grade silicone, and it was designed by an ophthalmologist. And the Magic Touch also contains a patented silver ion agent that they say eliminates up to 99.9% of bacteria. Alright, so let's go in to get into opening this up. But right here on the box too, it does say that the eye drop helper magically transfers eye drops from your fingertips to your eyes with less mess. So we're opening it up here and see it comes in this nice plastic carrying case, so you can keep it nice and safe, secure. And then just pop it open. It just fits right easily onto your fingertip, right out the carrying case. The applicator does. And it has like a cap, a rubber cap, silicone cap that goes over it to protect the well where you'll actually be putting the eye drops onto the applicator. So let's go ahead and start testing this out, you guys. Okay, you guys, so I've done all the pre-steps that I normally do in order to prepare myself to put my eye drops in my eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the applicator out of the case, putting it on my finger here, removing this cap off of it. And then the directions just say simply apply one drop into the well of the tip of the Magic Touch. So I'm gonna just apply that one drop in there for our first step. So alright, so there's the one drop. It says apply to one drop. Then it says keep your head straight or slightly bent and gently pull down your lower eyelid to form a pocket. Keep Magic Touch almost vertical for best results. So I'm gonna try this out here in my right eye. And I think the drop went in my eye. My eye might be watering a little bit. I know sometimes I have to, they say you should press down here so that the drops don't run down through your nasal passage and things like that. But hopefully I was able to get most of the drop in my eye. And it looks like I don't have any mess. I don't see any, you know, the eye drops dripping out of my eye. So I think I did get most of it there inside of my eye with no problem. Now we'll go ahead and try the left eye using the same process. So here's the left eye. We're going to put the drop here, as they're calling it, the well. And the drop just kind of sucks right on there. Then I'm going to do the same process as I did with the right eye. Going to pull my eyelid down and try to let it make contact with the lower eyelid. And it's almost like as soon as you touch that area or get it close right there, you can feel the drop going in. So as of now, again, with the left eye, I don't think I have no fluids draining out, no drops draining. Just have to hold my eye here just so the drops don't drain down any place into the nasal passage. And no mess, you guys. I think I got all my drop in both eyes here. So again, if you're looking to try to make sure that you're getting the most out of your eye drop use, not trying to waste any of your eye drops, you have issues trying to get the eye drops into your eyes, I'm thinking that this Magic Touch, the eye drop helper, will actually be a pretty good investment for you if that's something that you have to do on a daily basis. And then they say what you can do is you can just pretty much rinse it off with warm water after each use, and that should prevent any bacteria from building up on it. And it does have that the silver ions to help eliminate 99.99% of all bacteria. So there you guys go. There you have it. Maybe you'll join me on my story time one day, and then I'll tell you guys a little bit more about why I have to take eye drops daily. You can also check the description down below, and I will leave a link to make a purchase if you're interested in trying to get the Magic Touch eye drop helper. If you're new to the channel, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you guys think down below. I got the water running. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Do you use any type of eye drop helper, or do you think this would help you out? Or if you've tried it out before, let me know. All right, until next time, this is your boy J-Hen. Peace out.